Okay, welcome back guys to the channel. So in this video, we're going to see how we can solve simultaneous equations with three different variables using a calculator Casio fx5800P. And we'll start the calculator first. So we're going to press on AC, and if we click on mode, we'll see that the number 8 is equation. So we're going to click on that. We'll see the second one is the one that we are looking for. So we have three different unknowns, and we need to have our equation in this format. So we have x, y, z on one side of the equation, and we have d on the other side, which is the constant number. So before we're starting to put any number in this program, we need to make sure that we have our equation in this format. So we're going to click on 2, and here we have our matrix. So we have three different rows, and we have three different numbers for a, b, c, and d. So let's start with our first equation. We'll see that the a for the first equation is 3. So we're just going to put 3, click on execute. It's going to go to the b. Our b is 2, execute, and our z is -1, which is our c. And on the other side, d will be 11. And it's going to automatically go to the second row. So our second equation, the a will be 2, our b is -3, and our c will be 1, and d on the other side of the equation is 7. And the last equation, we have 5 for a, we have 1 as b for the third equation, and we have -2 for c, and 12 will be the d for the last equation. And if we click on execute, we can see our x will be 4, we have y 2, and our z will be 5. Thanks for watching. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video.